Here's how to install a Rain-X Latitude water repellency blade on an INL type arm. First, pry off the adapter cover by inserting your thumb under the edge. Lift slightly and remove the cover with your opposite hand. Next, rotate the adapter up. Pinch together the tabs at the back while using your opposite hand to push down and remove the blue spacer. You're now ready to install the blade. After you've removed the old wiper blade, make sure the wiper arm is up or in the service position. Insert the curved tab of the wiper arm under the Rain-X logo. Slide the blade down the arm through the adapter channel until it clicks. When the blade is engaged, the rear adapter tabs will lock into place. Tug on the blade to be sure it's properly fastened. Remove the yellow plastic squeegee cover and lower the arm gently onto the windshield. Finally, activate the Rain-X water repelling technology. To do this, ensure your windshield is clean. Turn on the wiper blades and wipe at medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. In wet weather conditions, simply run the wipers across the windshield. In dry weather conditions, apply water or washer fluid to the windshield intermittently throughout the activation period. After activation, spray washer fluid onto the windshield to observe the water beading. Installation is complete. You're now ready to outsmart the elements with Rain-X Latitude water repellency wiper blades.